Okay, the video for this is it's the 12-4 worksheet, which I renamed to be this. Um, the idea behind it is that if you have an inscribed angle in a triangle, means the vertex is on the circle. What that does is this is an angle, let's call that angle 1, and it creates this arc right up here that goes from here clear around to there, and we'll call that x. The relationship between those is that the arc x is equal to 2 times the measure of angle 1. So for instance, let's say that this was 60 degrees. This arc up here then would be 120 degrees. And vice versa. If this was 100 degrees, this angle would be 50. This arc is called the intercepted arc. And that's really all there is to doing those problems. If we're to look on the worksheet, well, for instance, say I gave you this circle. And I said that there's the center of the circle. Let's say we had this, and it went from here to there, and from there to there. Okay, and I was trying to find out what's this in degrees and what's this in degrees. And if I told you that this was, say this was 90 degrees right here. Okay, so what that tells me is that because this is 90, if I take this arc and I follow it back down, so to there and to there, this angle, this is the intercepted arc. So that means that x is half of 90, which is 45 degrees. If we look at angle y, here's its intercepted arc is clear around here. And notice that this is a diameter of the circle. So that means this is half of the circle, so that's going to be 180 degrees. That means this angle then is half of that, so y is a half of 180 degrees, which is 90 degrees. That's really the concept that is required on that worksheet.